Yiddish means a very rich language. Studying Yiddish is studying the history of Ashkenazim, and it's a fascinating puzzle to try to figure out how all of these component languages came together. It's a rich treasure trove of interesting expressions and humor. And when I say humor, I don't just mean jokes, but I also mean linguistic creativity, how Jews took words that are from different languages and made inside jokes about them in their language. One of my favorite Yiddish words is asher yotzer papier, which means toilet paper. It's a euphemism that was used, and it comes from the blessing, asher yatzar, that Jews say after they use the bathroom. So the name of this blessing, paper, means toilet paper. And I mean, that's just one of many, many examples of how Ashkenazic Jews have been linguistically creative.